These are 1.5 mm cables used for lighting mostly. I'm gonna show you the difference between an original and a fake cable. We start with the color themselves. You can see there is a brighter and there is a dark cable. The brighter one is the fake cable. Here you can also see the red core. One is smoother, that's the original cable, and one is a little bit tough or a little bit rougher. So you can see there is a little bit of a color difference. Then I'm gonna show you how to check the texture of the cable. You can see this is a little bit smooth. This now helps in the flow of the cable during operation or when servicing. And if you need to use it in maybe in cases where you need to pass them in conduits, they're a little bit easy to pass. But you can see the rough cable here. Although the shade is shiny, you can see at least it's rough. So you can also see it cannot just handle two twists. It's broken. See, it's broken, easily broken. For the rough, the smooth and the tough original cable, you can see how many times I can be able to twist it without actually breaking down. See, it's not broken. See, it's still intact. But when you come to this one, the fake cable, the red core already broken. See, this one. The other one still handling the disturbances, no breakage, no sign of breakage. Although the black and the earthing conductor seems to be a little bit tough, but the red core cannot handle two twists, so it will let you down when servicing electrical circuits. So avoid this. You can at least before purchasing try to give it 2-3 twists and see if it just snaps as easily as this one. Thank you.